What up, people? It's vdoestech, and real quick, before we get too far, I'm just going to give you a heads up. Now, I know very little about this brand. Outside of what I've heard others talk about, this will be my first hands-on experience with the Jabras. Now, I went to go buy the 75Ts a couple weeks ago. Then, like the day I had planned on picking these up, I saw on my Google feed, Jabra 85Ts, soon to be announced. Well, I don't know if it was said like that exactly, but that's how I read it. So I was like, I guess I'll wait. And now we're here. Now this is going to be a quick unboxing, setup, first impressions, and a little mic test. Then I'll be back with like a 48 hours later or a 1 week review of the Jabra 85Ts. So if you're good with that, let's dive in. Let's go.
Dance on, I got that heat, let's go.
All right, now that we've easily defeated the packaging and we have our prize, you can see in the box you get Type-C charging cable, you get your earbud tips, which are super important. You should probably spend like 3 to 5 minutes to make sure you find the right fit because it can make or break the headphone. And then you get your instruction manual. It's telling you to go download the Jabra app. Once you get inside of the app, there's going to be an update you have to download. It's going to be about 15 minutes. And then you can finally get to your earbuds. And now when you take them out, you can see it welcomes back. It starts searching. And then here's the app. And in this app, there are so many things to customize. There are so many screens. So I have a question for you. Maybe y'all can help me out. Like I said, this is my first experience with the Jabra brand. So let me know some of the equalizer settings that you guys use to let me try them out and give you some feedback in the next video. But you can see in the app, there are so many things to go through. There's your about, buy more online, the discover page, which I'm sure I'll be in. Here's your user manual. I like that. You can go ahead and find everything in the user manual. Here goes the table of contents right here. All that extra. So anything you're looking for, it would be in here. Let me go ahead and open that back up. In here, you can see your sound modes. You have active noise cancellation, hear through mode. Here's your music equalizer. You have all of your different presets. Here's your soundscape. Let's go ahead and click on that because I'm not sure what that is. Oh, so you can basically pick a noise that you want to hear inside of the headphones. That is cool. So plenty of settings to go through in there. Let's go ahead and exit out of that. What else? Here's your commute, your moments. You can save them. Here's your battery life for each earbud. Go ahead up here, hit settings. There's a firmware update right there. You get your headset settings. Audio experience, go ahead and select all of that. So when you get these, there are going to be plenty of settings and configurations for you to go in and play with. I plan on trying all of these out in the next couple days, and I'll be back with another video in a week. But yeah, here's your quick start guide, user manual, rate your Jabra already, find your Jabras in case you get lost. You can grant access for that. and there are so many settings to go through. I am hyped to dive in. But that's about it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my promise, go ahead and do a mic test, and I'll be back in a couple days. Let me know what you think below, and we will insert the mic test now.
Hey, yo, what up, people? It's vdoestech, aka the one who checks tech, and this is the audio coming from the Jabra Elite 85Ts. Now, this is a controlled, quiet environment. Once again, this is a controlled, quiet environment. So let me know down in the comments how they sound. We're going to finish the rest of the video using the headphones so we can get a real idea of how good the mics are. Because nowadays we're holding a whole bunch of conference calls over Zoom or Skype or Google Hangout. So we need to know how good the headphones are. So a couple things in, after playing with the headphones for a little bit, I have to say, I am super impressed with the audio, even straight out the box, without even touching the equalizer. Yo, these are tuned really nice. And once you start playing with the equalizer, yo, they get even better. I am really feeling the bass on these so far. Now, everything isn't peaches and cream. You know, it's not all bright and shiny right now. There is one thing that is really irritating me right now. Now, we know how much these cost. These are not cheap. And for these to suffer from the Batman and Robin syndrome, you know, AKA, you can only use one earbud. Yeah, you can only use the right side of the earbud. So you can only use, if you put the left side in the case, the right side is good. But if you put the right side in the case, the left side stops playing. I'm not okay with that, especially at this price point. But everything else has been pretty good so far. I really enjoy the fact that these headphones are wireless charging capable. You can throw them right on your wireless charger and they charge up just fine. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go play with these headphones for, you know, a couple days, a week, whatever we decide on. I'm gonna be in the comments asking you guys questions. So let me know down there so we can figure out this tech together. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you later.